Hi there, and welcome to a brief product demo of Anchore Enterprise. Anchore Enterprise is an SBOM-powered software composition analysis tool for cloud-native applications used by customers to ensure continuous security and compliance. The Anchore platform provides SBOM generation and management, continuous scanning for vulnerabilities, secrets, and malware, and helps organizations automate compliance enforcement. Anchore Enterprise itself is a fully self-hosted enterprise solution and can be installed in a variety of different environments like public and private clouds, as well as air-gapped deployments. Within this video, we'll be taking a tour of the Anchore Enterprise user interface, but everything that you see from a data perspective is all 100% API driven. So all of the data and features that we see here today during the demo will also be accessible through our REST and GraphQL API endpoints, as well as through our lightweight command line interface tool called Anchore CTL. As we start the product tour today, there are a couple key points to keep in mind. The first is that Anchore Enterprise is often utilized as a shift-left product within a continuous integration or a CI pipeline to ensure security and compliance as early as possible. So most of the data that you see would have actually been generated through a CI pipeline. So what we'll do here today is we will filter down the table of repositories that we've scanned to the repository that we want to see. I will click the tag that I want to see data for, and I will select the image digest that's available. Doing so will then allow Anchore to do a vulnerability as well as a policy compliance scan. And we land on the policy compliance results here, but the first thing that I want to do is I'll show the SBOM. Anchore Enterprise provides the highest fidelity SBOM possible. We will provide package data and metadata for operating system packages as well as application ecosystems. And that data will include name, version, type, size, origin, and licenses. From a compliance perspective, each data field that you see here listed within the SBOM is a field that you can query upon and create a rule set around. And so we can see here that within this container image, we have packages at the operating system level, as well as for various application language ecosystems. Anchore Enterprise will also surface malware by doing a malware scan underneath the hood using a ClamAV scanner. We will also do a secret search using existing regular expressions, as well as allowing you to customize and configure additional expressions as you would like. Once we have the SBOM, we'll be able to do a vulnerability search. Anchore Enterprise sources vulnerability feed data from the NIST National Vulnerability Database, GitHub, as well as major Linux distro providers, Microsoft, and we also provide a proprietary exclusions feed, helping you to decrease the number of false positives that you would have seen maybe in a different tool. And so within this table below, we'll show the vulnerabilities that have been matched, and will allow you to filter the criticality of the vulnerabilities at the top. You also have the option to filter on a couple additional metadata parameters, such as non-OS CVEs, so only CVEs that have been introduced at the application level. You can toggle on CVEs with fixes so that the table only reflects those that have fixes, vendor-only CVEs, as well as CVEs not inherited from base. And finally, with policy compliance, you'll have the ability to establish rules that will provide a go, warning, or a stop action based on the findings. Examples for rules might be creating a stop action for any high or critical vulnerability, creating a stop action if the container image is running as root, or maybe creating a warning if a particular license has been found. Once Anchore has identified the results of the policy scan, we'll provide that information below, and the compliance report can be exported much in the same way that a vulnerability report or an SBOM report can be exported as well.